This is Claudio Barba, motion designer from Brussels, Belgium, Europe. In the last video we talked about a good way to take a screenshot in Windows 10 and with the snipping tool. Today I wanted to show you how you can take a video capture. So not only a screenshot but a video. You can record videos also for free in Windows 10, and you will do this using the game bar, which is something which is already available in your Windows 10. Maybe you don't know it's there, but I will show you exactly where you can find it and how you can use it. Okay, let's go and check how you can do this. So first of all, you need to enable the game bar if it's not already enabled. So you have to go in the settings, you type game, you will choose the game bar settings, and Xbox game bar. This is what you want to check, and here you have to enable it. It's already on my PC, but you have to turn it on if it's not. And then on the bottom side of the screen you can see that you have some shortcuts. The only one that you have to remember is the first one, which is the one to open the game bar. The shortcut is Windows key plus G. So once you have done this, you can go into the Capture tab, and here you can select a folder where you can save your videos of the video captures of your screen. You have already one which is already selected by default, but you can change it if you like. And you can also enable the audio if you want to record your microphone and the sounds of your PC. You can turn it on here. You can check the microphone volume, the system volume. You can choose whether to use a 30 frame per second or 60 frame per second. If you're a gamer, maybe you would like to use a 60, but for normal people or normal cases, 30 FPS is more than enough. You can also choose the video quality, standard or high. Once you have done this, you can close the settings and you can start your session. So we said that we should use the shortcut Windows G, and you see this is the game bar which is opened. You have some options available here. You have the first one is the audio, and here you can choose the volume and set the volume of the voice and the microphone and everything. And here you have a tab for the performance, but that's more important if you are a gamer. You want to check the performances on your PC, but normally you don't need it. If you want to just take a video capture, but the most important button is this one, the capture. So once you click on it, you have the possibility either to take a screenshot, but for that you can use the snipping tool already that you know from the previous video, or you can start the recording. So let's check how it happens when I click on the record button. You see on the right side of the screen, you see that we are already capturing something. You have the timer here, and you can do whatever you want. You want to record whatever you like. Once you are done, you just click on the stop button, and to check what you have recorded, you have to go back into the game bar. So press again Windows G, and here on the bottom part of the capture window you see that you have this show all capture. You just click on it and you will see that here you have available the video that we have just recorded. It's magic. So it's as easy as that. It's for free. You have already it available in your Windows 10. So what else? It's great. There are some limitations for this software. Actually, you cannot record everything. Don't ask me why. For instance, I will show you. Here is my desktop. Okay, you cannot record your desktop. You cannot record your Windows File Explorer. So why? I don't know, but it happens. So for instance, I will show you what can happen and I will tell you how to fix this. For instance, when you have your Windows open, but you have selected your desktop here. So if you open the video capture software, you see that now the capture button is not enabled. That is why we have selected the desktop. But if you select the browser or any other window which is not the File Explorer, and you open again the game bar, you see that now the record button is enabled. So it's really easy. I used it sometimes, but normally I use another software which is called Camtasia, which is not for free, but it's much more powerful and it allows you to do some video edits as well. But for a basic video capture, this game bar is really a great thing. So let me know if you are going to use it in the comments below. If you liked this video, do not hesitate to subscribe to this channel and to click on the bell so that you will be noticed when new videos will come. Okay, thank you very much and see you soon.